How to organize the perfect home party? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Parties may be fun, but they require a lot of planning in advance, especially if you are the host. The responsibility of organizing such an event can really stress you out. That is why you should be fully aware of what you are doing and not waste time with useless activities. Here are the main points you need to deal with for throwing the perfect party. Number 1. Prepare a guest list. It is advisable to be selective with guests. After all, you can't invite just anyone to your own home. You should know very well the people that are coming to the party. Also, include some key players to help you keep things under control. For example, a few folks that don't drink will be a big assistance to you. Do not hesitate to give some assignments to your close friends. Remember that you need to have a good time, too. Number 2. Lock some of the doors. There are certainly rooms in your house that you don't want the guests to get into. Can you imagine them turning your bedroom into a real mess? Well, that can happen if you do not take preventive measures. That is why you should lock the doors to all rooms you don't need for the party. You know what people say, better safe than sorry. Number 3. A music surprise. What good is a party without music? Choose an awesome playlist that will make the atmosphere even better. Just be aware of the type of event you want to host. Because if the music is wild, you can be sure that the party will be wild as well. At the same time, you have to guarantee that your friends like the songs. After all, thinking about their comfort is essential for a good party. Number 4. Food selection. Another thing your guests expect from you is to feed them well. Select a variety of dishes that will leave everyone satisfied, even vegans. And if it is possible, prepare most of the food the day before. That way you will avoid the risk of unpleasant kitchen accidents at the last minute. In case you are not a good cooker, finding a reliable local source for party food is also an option. Number 5. A convenient place for the trash. You know that at parties things could get really messy. You cannot expect the guests to interrupt their entertainment and start searching where to put packages or some other garbage items. Ensure that there are convenient trash cans or bags in every room. It will help you keep the house a lot cleaner. Number 6. Professional cleaning after the party. There are pretty wild parties in which the mess is guaranteed, no matter what measures you take. In such cases it will be a good idea to hire the services of a professional home cleaning company. That way you will guarantee that everything is going to be properly cleaned afterwards. And you can just relax and enjoy the party. It is thanks to these steps that you can ensure the best party for you and your guests as well. Make the proper arrangements and you will create the prerequisites for a party to be remembered. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the one that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspect of cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Create a greener and healthier future.